Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Susha's Artworks. So today I'm back with my new craft idea. As we all know, Diwali is around the corner and we are looking for some new ideas for decorating our homes. So today I'll be recycling a biryani clay pot into a beautiful bowl for floating candles which we can use for our decoration. Let's begin. Let's add some beautiful border here. Let's add some mirror for decoration. Thank you for watching. Please let me know your feedback in the comment section. Do like and subscribe. Thank you.